Ryobi puts out tons of new products every year, covering everything from power tools to lawn care and even lifestyle products. So we like to keep you up to date with a list of Ryobi's newest tools. First up is the Ryobi 80 volt 1000 watt power source. Now, you'll notice that they have a new backpack style 80 volt battery. Well, this is a new power source that runs directly off of one of those suitcase style batteries, and it provides portable power wherever you need it. And while you're probably unlikely to pick up one of these 80 volt batteries on its own, it is used to power those Ryobi 80 volt lawn tractors and zero turn mowers. And if you have one of those, you're gonna have all the runtime you could possibly imagine. So as the name suggests, it generates a running output of 1000 watts that'll let you power and charge your devices and appliances. It also uses pure sine wave technology, so it's not going to harm your sensitive electronics. Feel free to use it with your laptop or anything else. The model number is the RY80BG02, and it gives you 1800 startup watts and 1000 running watts. The price on this tool is $279 for the bare tool. You'll need to add your own 80 volt backpack battery to supply power to it. Now, Ryobi has no shortage of drilling and driving tools in their 18 volt lineup, but sometimes you just want a powered screwdriver to help you assemble furniture or just do odd jobs around the house. And the new 1/4 inch screwdriver, the PCL 212, does just that. It's ideal for any of those DIY projects where you just don't need a ton of speed and power. In fact, it's got a top speed of just 600 RPM with a variable speed trigger and torque levels that reach 135 inch-pounds. It's also really lightweight, just 2.5 pounds with the battery. The price for this tool is about $60 for the kit that includes a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. As hurricane season picks up, a lot of us around here, in Central Florida at least, are thinking about the potential storm cleanup that can happen after a storm. And one of the cool tools that I saw this week from Ryobi is their 40 volt HP Brushless 18 inch chainsaw. Now, Ryobi offers several chainsaws on its 40 volt platform, but the RY40 HP CW01 is the brand's most powerful model yet. It delivers 40 cc gas equivalents. And since it features an 18 inch bar and chain, you're going to technically be able to cut trees up to 32 inches in diameter. And that makes it ideal for felling and limbing trees. A premium full house chain also delivers longer run times and faster cutting than previous models. Using a 6 amp hour battery that comes with the kit, Ryobi says that you can make up to 90 cuts on a single charge. The price for this is $279 as a bare tool, or you can get the kit with the 6 amp hour battery and charger for $379. One of my favorite cordless tools has been the pin nailer, because they're much smaller than a framing nailer or even the larger finish nailers that have come out. And the newest addition to Ryobi's nailer lineup is the PCL 310. This is by far the most compact nailer that they've released, coming in at 10% lighter weight than the previous iteration. It sinks up to 1,000 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 inch pin nails per charge. And this is a tool that gives you all of the benefits of a nailer without the need for a noisy air compressor or those hoses. The price is $159 for the bare tool and $189 for the kit with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. Now, we got Ryobi's Speed Bench mobile workstation in the shop, and it's really impressive. It features a unique 2-in-1 design, transforming from a hand truck / cart into a workbench in just one fluid motion. It lets you transport your equipment to the job site, and then you use the 42 by 22 inch work surface as a workbench table. And when it's in that configuration, it has a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, with a 19 inch skid plate on the bottom and 10 inch all-terrain wheels to help you get over job site bumps. This is the Ryobi STM202, and it's available for $199. Next up is a new blower from Ryobi, and they've announced several new OPE solutions, or outdoor power equipment solutions, on both their 18 volt 1 Plus platform and their 40 volt platforms this year. So starting on the 18 volt side, the 1 Plus HP Brushless 510 CFM blower is the brand's most powerful blower that's on the 18 volt system. As the name suggests, it gives you up to 510 CFM, or cubic feet per minute, of airflow, putting it on par with about a 24 cc gas blower. And better yet, the performance comes with noise levels up to 85% quieter than gas, thanks to being part of Ryobi's Whisper series. The price on this tool is $149 and $249 if you get the kit with a 6 amp hour battery and charger. Ryobi announced another outdoor power equipment solution, and that's the 40 volt HP Brushless brush cutter and string trimmer. It has the ability to transform between a brush cutter with a 10 inch tri-arc blade and a string trimmer with a 15 inch cutting swath. If you use the kitted 6 amp hour battery, you can expect run times of around 85 minutes per charge in ideal conditions. 2 speed modes, as well as a variable speed trigger, also are going to let you set your speed to best attack the job at hand. The model number on this is the RY40HP BC01. The price on this tool is $389. Now you never know what you're going to get with Ryobi, so this next product, the ELL1004, isn't Ryobi's first laser level, but it certainly brings all the basics to help you with home improvement projects like hanging shelves or putting photos on the wall. It has a 20-foot range, projecting angles from 0 to 45 degrees in both directions. It also features horizontal and vertical integrated bubble levels, and that's going to help you make sure that you get an accurate level reading in a variety of orientations. And because it's so lightweight, it's powered by a couple of AAA batteries. The price on this tool is $39.97. If you're a parent or you have pets in the home, you're going to keep a vacuum and a mop on standby just in case of any accidents or messes. But what if you can combine both tools into one cleaning solution? Well, that's what Ryobi did with their 18-volt 1+ HP SwiftClean wet-dry stick vacuum. It's got the cleaning power for both wet and dry messes. And this is Ryobi's first stick vacuum with SwiftClean technology. It features dual tanks to keep your clean and dirty water separated, plus you get a self-cleaning mode that lets you flush the vacuum with clean water to take the dirty work out of maintenance. It's ideal for sealed hard floors such as tile or LVP or anything else you can imagine. It's got a 10-inch cleaning width, and it's compatible with all of Ryobi's 18-volt batteries. The kit is going to include cleaning formula, 2 roller bars, 2 filters, and a self-cleaning stand. The price is $329 for the tool, or $379 for the kit with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. Now for years, we've been telling people to be really careful if you're going to wash your car with a pressure washer. But the third battery-powered model in Ryobi's lineup of pressure washers is the RY40HPPW12, and it's also the smallest, and it's perfect for washing cars or doing those small jobs that don't require the same amount of pressure as with larger units. In fact, this pressure washer delivers up to 1200 psi and a gallon per minute, so it's perfectly ideal for light to medium duty cleaning tasks, like washing your car or your golf cart or cleaning grime off of any outdoor surfaces. It offers up to 40 minutes of runtime if you use it with Ryobi's 12 amp hour battery, which we recommend. The tool also comes with 3 nozzles, including a 15 degree, a turbo nozzle, and a soap nozzle. The price for this tool is just $199. Well, that wraps our coverage of the newest products from Ryobi. If you saw anything at Home Depot that we didn't include, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And remember, we keep this list updated frequently on ProToolReviews.com. As always, thanks for watching.